Okay, so we're going to go back and I tried to record the answer earlier, but the video, I only have 5 minutes on this. So let's go ahead and look at this. So this is an area problem. And what you need to do is you need to first think about the living room and the dimensions of the living room. So this living room is 25 feet by 16 feet with a spot right here by the door. Maybe it's going to be wood. I'm not sure. Something, it's not going to be carpet. So 3 feet by 4 feet. So we have learned that area is length times width, and students in 3rd grade have self-discovered that through tiling, that you multiply the sides. So the best way to tackle this problem would be first to calculate the total area of the living room, and I'm going to do that with the actual area model for multiplication. That is my favorite model. And I'm sorry, this is so messy. So I'm first going to decompose 25 into 20 and 5. And then I'm going to decompose 16 into 10 and 6. And then here we have 20 times 10, which is 200. 10 times 5, which is 50. 20 times 6 is 120. 5 times 6 is 30. Then you add everything up. So I'm just going to add like vertically. So 200 plus 120 is 320. And then 50 plus 30 is 80. And then I know 80 and 20 is 100. And so I can add another 100 to the 300. So that is 400. Now what I'm going to do is 400 feet squared, because that is area. Now this part, I'm going to just subtract that out. And the area of this section right here is 4 times 3, which is 12 feet squared. So then I'm just going to subtract that, 400 minus 12. This could be a simple way to solve. 400 minus 10 is 390 minus 2, but I know some of our friends don't love all that, so I'm just going to do the standard algorithm. So I'm going to ungroup 100 because I can't take 0 from 0. I cannot take 2 ones from 0. I cannot take 110 from 0. So this 400 becomes a 300. This 0 now becomes 10 tenths. And now I can ungroup a 10, so that's 9 tenths, and this is 10. So 10 minus 2 is 8, 9 minus 1 is 8, and 3 minus 0 is 3. So your answer would be 388 feet squared.